This is an asset archive, often used in car tycoon games or older applications to store multiple files. It works like a zip file. We can sometimes extract it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try to unpack it. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn CAR files, you need a software that can work outside the box, a true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. Files that use the CAR extension are categorized under the compressed archive file. Data is compiled using the generic archive file format. A CAR file is used to store car archive and assets. These files are often used in video games or simulation software to package 3D models, textures, and other assets related to vehicles. The format allows for efficient storage and distribution of large amounts of data, ensuring that all necessary components for a car model are contained within a single file. The internal structure of a CAR file is typically proprietary and specific to the software that uses it. It often involves a directory structure within the archive, with indexed access to individual assets. Compression algorithms are frequently employed to reduce the file size. Reverse engineering may be required to extract or modify the contents of a hungry CAR file. The standard opener for CAR is known to be various game engines developed by various game developers. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows can tell you the file type, but retrieving the content still requires archive software. Your key initial action: right-click the CAR file and select Open With. If various game engines is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the CAR file opens. If the CAR file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, use Archive Extractor. Open the file using a robust archive utility like 7-zip, WinRAR, or WinZip, as it is a highly generic archive format. Next, check for corruption. Run the test archive function within the archive utility to check the file's integrity before attempting extraction. Finally, locate all parts. If the archive is split, e.g. .car, CO1, CO2, ensure all parts are present in the same folder. If compatibility tests return conclusive failure, the necessary move is to use the specialized opener. It gives you the best chance to open difficult CAR files. My top recommendation is the Universal Viewer File Magic. It opens virtually all formats, including your tricky CAR file. Visit filemagic.com to download now. Hope you feel empowered to fix future files. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.